Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel today and join us on this episode. Now we've got a bit of a special episode for you today, and we are going to be doing our Christmas competition. Now before I go much further with any detail, I need to let you know that this is a UK based competition only. We can't post overseas or abroad or worldwide. It has to be UK residents only, I'm afraid. So sorry to everyone who watches the channel from abroad or overseas, but we can't do a worldwide competition this time around. Okay, now with that out of the way, I can get into the details. Now we're here at Inside Line Models in Cleveland's on the Fylde Coast, and they very kindly let us do our giveaway video here, and also they've let us purchase the competition prizes as well, and they have been donated to the channel by the amazing RC Elf. So a massive thank you to the RC Elf for donating the prizes for this year's Christmas giveaway. Also as well, if you want to be in the chance or more of a chance of winning, do go and check out Mark Bryan's video on Mark Bryan RC, as he is also doing a Christmas giveaway in collaboration with the RC Elf. So be sure to check out that. If you haven't come across Mark's channel, I'll leave a link in the description. Also, links in the description to Inside Line Models as well. Right, so what can you be in with a chance of winning? Well, we've got an absolute classic for you. We have the Tamiya Hornet. I'm sure you'll agree it's a very well-known and iconic RC. Often the first RC a lot of people had when they were getting into it. So we're going to be giving one of these away. And also, we have, we're going to do it without knocking things off. Have we done it? Also as well, we're going to be giving away a Tamiya TT02B Plasma Edge 2 4-wheel drive buggy. Okay. Oh, and you get a torque tune motor included as well. How cool is that? Right, so that's what you can be within a chance of winning. Now, how can you get involved and win one? Right, what you need to do is first, you need to be, if you haven't already, you need to be a subscriber to the Andy Robinson RC YouTube channel. And secondly, you need to be a member of the Andy Robinson RC Facebook group as well. Also, if you've not already, please go and subscribe to Mark Bryan's YouTube channel as well, as we're doing a bit of a cross-channel promotion on this. So that'd be grand. Once you've joined our YouTube channel, if you haven't already, what you need to do is you need to leave a comment on the video saying you'd like to be entered into the competition, please. So put that there, and then what we'll do is, once we've got everyone entered into the competition, this is going to run until the 19th of December, where I'll be doing the winner announcement video. So look out for that. So that'll be on the 19th of December. So yeah, put your comments down below in the video. Then I will get a list of all the people that have entered, and then I will assign you all a number, and then it will be the winners will be chosen via a random number generator. And then on the pinned post section on the videos, I will put up the 2 winners. Now what you need to do is then, if you have been lucky enough to win the prizes, you need to email me at Tamiya DT02@hotmail.com. So the winners will need to email me at Tamiya DT02@hotmail.com. Now all the details for this competition will be put in the video description, so it's all there. So if you're unsure of anything or you've missed anything in the video, you can check it out there. And again, what will happen after that, the winners, once they've emailed me with their details, I will then pass those details on to Inside Line Models, and then they will ship them out to you from the model shop, and then that way it's all it's a lot easier and it's a lot easy to keep a track on with whatever that's going on. The parcels will be tracked as well, so you should get them tracked and signed for. Right, so that is essentially the competition we're going to do. So if you want to be within a chance, make sure you get commented on this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and make sure you've joined our Facebook page as well. Again, massive thanks to the RCL for donating these prizes brilliantly. Also for Inside Line Models as well, massively helped out with this video as well. And again, I will give you their details in the video description, so you can check out their amazing hobby store and their website as well. Right, I think that's everything I need to cover. So cheers for checking this video out, much appreciated. Good luck, and we'll see you on the, well, see you before then in another video I'm sure, but we'll see you on the 19th of December, where I will be announcing the winners for the 2022 Christmas giveaway. Okay, thanks for joining us today. I'll look after yourselves and take care, and see you all soon. See you later.